I read over 50 books on trading, mindset, and success, but I was still losing money in Forex, still breaking my rules, still doing the same things I knew I shouldn't do. Nothing changed until I stopped reading and started applying. And I know I'm not the only one. You watch the YouTube videos, you read the books, you learn the strategies, but when it's time to execute, you hesitate. You overtrade. You move your stop loss. It's like you know what to do, but you just don't do it. That was me. Then I came across a simple idea from Atomic Habits. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. That hit me because I had goals, but I didn't have a system controlling my behavior. I started understanding that your emotions take control under pressure. I wasn't losing because I didn't know enough. I was losing because I wasn't in control.
So I stopped trying to feel disciplined, and I built a system instead. Before every trade, I created a simple checklist. 1, is this my setup? 2, is the market structure clear? 3, am I forcing this trade? If I can't answer clearly, I don't enter, no matter how good it looks. After every trade, I started reviewing my actions, not just the result. Did I follow my rules, or did my emotions take over? That one change started reducing my impulsive trades, not because I became perfect, but because I became aware. I still feel the urge to overtrade. I still feel emotions, but now I catch it faster because I'm not just reading anymore. I'm applying. And that's the difference between knowing and improving. This channel is not about reading more books. It's about applying one idea until it changes your results. I'm going to take powerful ideas from books and break them down into real actions you can use in Forex and life. So if you're tired of knowing what to do, but still not doing it, subscribe. Let's start applying.